Alright, let me take you inside the wild world of car making, factory style. First, imagine a giant warehouse buzzing with energy and machines. It all kicks off with sheets of steel. These sheets get cut, stamped, and shaped into panels. Doors, hoods, roofs. Massive robots handle the heavy lifting, welding those panels together to form the car's body. Trust me, the sparks are flying. Next, it's off to the paint shop. Here, the car bodies get cleaned, primed, and sprayed with that shiny finish you see on the road. It's all done by robots, so each car turns out flawless. Now here's where things get really cool. The assembly line. The painted shells travel down a conveyor belt. Workers and robots team up to install engines, brakes, seats, dashboards. Pretty much everything you need to call it a car. Every step is timed perfectly, so there's no wasted motion. It's like a well-choreographed dance. Once everything's installed, it's inspection time. Every car gets check tested and driven on a mini track to make sure it's running perfectly. Finally, those finished cars are loaded up and shipped to dealerships all over the world, maybe even to your driveway. So, next time you see a car on the road, remember, it's not just metal and paint. It's the result of teamwork, technology, and some seriously cool robots. Let me know if you want to go deeper into any part of the process. I'm always down to geek out over cars.